You know what they say? What do they say? Well, Abuela Bear, just a spoonful of froggies makes the witch's soup go down. The witch's soup go down. The witch's soup go down.
What's going on here?
Just a spoonful of froggies helps the witch's soup go down in the most delightful way.
Cha-cha-cha, that's not how it goes. Witch Efficient, you seem upset.
You're practically green.
It's not frogs that go into stew. It's bats. How many times have I told you? It's bats too. Witch Efficient. Oh, yes, Abuela Bear. I cannot hear you when you are yelling. I'm sorry, Abuela. Now, use your inside voice. Okay, and try again. Okay, it's just that she knows it's bad stew. And StoryTeller, she's just trying to upset me.
Well, I never.
StoryTeller would never try to upset you.
I wouldn't?
Yes, she would. I think you are hungry and you need a snack. Let's let StoryTeller read the book and come with me, okay? Okay, but it's frogs, Abuela. It's not bats. Oh, just come with me.
Well, while Abuela Bear works her unique form of magical magic on our crankiest witch episode, we are about to experiment with what exactly is a spoonful of frogs. What? That's right. Apparently, there's a variation on the recipe that Witch Efficient is always talking about. It's always bats do this and bats do that. But now we know there's another witch recipe out there, and we're going to go find out what it is. Let's stir it up, shall we? A spoonful of frogs make the witch's stew go down. Oh, we are going into a television show, The Bewitching Kitchen. Everybody, put your hands together for The Bewitching Kitchen. A witch's favorite treat is frog soup. It's easy to make and healthy too. Start by placing your cauldron over the fire. Okay, got that? Cauldron over fire. You don't have an open flame in your house, you say? That's probably for the best now that I think about it. Okay, you can move on. No cauldron necessary. Or fire. Fill it with water, add a pinch of salt, a sprinkle of pepper, and 22 cloves of garlic. That's specific. Chop up 6 potatoes and 3 carrots, toss them into the cauldron. Too healthy. Move on back to Abuela. Mix in a cup of fly extract. Where can you find fly extract, you're asking? Wherever fly extract is sold. The last and most important ingredient is a spoonful of frog. Can I hear a ribbit? Yes, ribbit. This will add a kick of flavor and a pop of color. Place the frogs on the spoon. Very easy. There you go. You just scoop them up in your own tank o' frogs. Everybody has one, right? Right? Yes? Okay. And, oopsies. Oh, it's live television. You never know what's going to happen. Grab the frogs and put them on the spoon. Okay. Get the frogs, put them on the spoon. Boing, boing, boing. Ribbit, ribbit. Okay, find the frogs and place them on the spoon. Very easy. Just find the frogs and place them on the spoon. If she can find them. That's the deal when you have jumpy ingredients. Scoop up the frog with the spoon, boing. Chase the frog, boing. Boing, 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 boing. And trap them in a pot. Boom. Oh, I didn't see the pot. Did anybody get the pot? Oh, I had a cauldron, not a pot. Okay. All right, you got to do what you got to do, right? And then you carefully tip them out onto the spoon. Ribbit, 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 doing, 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 doing. Hoo-hoo. Oh, you know who's winning, right? Not her. And, who left the window open? Whoop, 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 whoop. Well, it looks like the ingredients are getting away. Put the frogs in the... Put the frogs in the... Oh, no, we're exiting the TV studio because the frogs have all left the building. We interrupt this program for a commercial message while we go and capture the ingredients. Be right back after a word from our sponsors. Put the frogs in the... Honk, honk, honk. Oh, and they're out on the open road and on the spoon. And wait, is that a... What? Oh, you found my trunk. Yep. What? Okay, back to the story. And, oh, look at that picture. Is that a witch on a mission or what? The determination in her stance. You don't even see her face, but you could just see the... Right? And now, oh, it looks like she has made eye contact with the frogs. Burr, burr, burr. And she's probably all like, I'll get you, my pretty, at this point right now. And put the frogs on the spoon. And you see that face of, oh yeah, it's on, like Donkey Kong. And there she goes. And the frogs are all like, ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Ribbit, not looking alarmed whatsoever. I don't think they're reading the room. And slip, frog splash. Whoop, roll. Pickles! What? Rondale! Pickles are an acceptable substitute for frogs in this recipe. Add a spoonful of pickles, stir well, bring the soup to a boil for 1 hour, and then serve hot. What? She lost her shoe. She lost her hat. She lost all the fuzzy curls in her hair. And she lost the main ingredient. But still, enjoy with friends. Ribbit. Ribbit. Don't worry, I won't cook you. Oh.
See? What did I tell you? That's why it's bad stew. Oh, you were right, we Chefy said. What?
What?
Yes, it's true. Obviously, the little frogs are too hoppy. I really feel seen right now. You're welcome. Oh, wow. Finally, a happy ending. Wow.
The happy ending.